Hey guys, I just made burgers in the air fryer for the first time. My kids said they were delicious, so I'm going to go ahead and show you how I made them now. Alright guys, I am going to show you how to make burgers in the air fryer, in the power air fryer. So what I have here is 2 pounds of ground beef, the 7327 I believe it is, ground beef. I don't like to use the 80-20 because it doesn't have enough fat in it, and when I can only find 80-20 I have to put, you know, like a little oil or something in it to make it taste better. But anyway, I found the 7327, and what I did, I just put about 2 teaspoons of water in it. That helps to keep it moist and tender. And then I also used pepper, Italian seasonings, Lowry seasoning salt, garlic salt. I put about 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of barbecue sauce, and I'm mixing it up now. Alright, I'm getting them formed here. I'm going to put 3 in at a time. I don't like super small burgers, but this can only fit like 3 average size burgers, so I'm just going to do 3 at a time. You don't want to handle or over handle your burgers because that'll make them tough. So there we go. Okay, I have the burgers in the fry pan, the fry basket, and we're going to go ahead and lock it in. So we're going to hit the power button next. Alright, and for burgers, we're going to set it on 360. And it's preset to 15 minutes, preset to 370 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to take it down to 13 minutes. So now I've taken the temperature to 360 and taking the time down at 13 minutes, and I'm going to hit the power button, and it's starting to cook. As you all can see, the unit is cooking. It's down to 10 minutes left now, still at 360 degrees Fahrenheit, and you can see the blue icon spinning, the little fan spinning. So the blue fan icon will appear when the unit is turned on, and for up to 20 seconds after it's turned off too. And that star-shaped red heat light, it will appear inside the center of the fan when the unit is in cook or the preheat mode. So it's still cooking. 10 minutes left. Okay, I'm going to see if I need to turn the burgers over right now. And this is what it's looking like right now. I'm going to flip it over with a non-abrasive utensil and put it back in for a few minutes to finish cooking. Okay, and as you can see, pulling the basket out, that's okay to do while it's cooking. What I am going to do is put the basket back in, and it's uninterrupted as far as the heating, and it goes right back to where it's supposed to go. Right back to the 5 minutes, right back to the same temperature. Give it 2 more minutes because it didn't look like it was quite done. So give it 2 more minutes and it should be just perfect. Here's the first batch of burgers. One of them, guys, that came out perfect. Perfect, perfect.